Students, today I will explain 10.4 question number 2. The question is, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segments of one chord are equal to the corresponding segments of the other chord. So what is given in this? A circle with center O and radius R is a circle in which AB and CD, they are the two equal chords which intersects at P inside the circle. To prove is, the two segments are CP and BP, AP and PD or DP. So the segments are equal, we have to prove. So what we have to prove? CP, that is equals to BP, and AP equals to DP, we have to prove. So for that we will do construction. Construction is, draw OE perpendicular on AB and OF perpendicular on CD and join OP. Now see the proof. In triangle OPF and triangle OPE, OP equals to OP, that is common. OE equals to OF. Why? Equal chords are equidistant from the center. And angle E or angle F equals to angle E, 90 degree. That is by construction. So the triangle OPF, that is congruent to the triangle OPE by right hypotenuse side rule. Right hypotenuse side rule. Therefore, PE equals to PF, that is by CPCT. And AB equals to CD, that is given. So half of AB, that is equals to half of CD. Or this implies half of CD is AE. So AE equals to DF. Now adding 1 and 2, what do we get? PE plus AE, that is equals to PF plus DF, and P plus AE, that is equals to AP. So AP equals to DP. This was to prove the first. Now AB equals to CD given. AB minus AP, that is equals to CD minus DP, and AB minus AP is your BP. So it is BP, that is equals to CP. This was to prove, this was to prove. Means the segments are equal. Now question number 3. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the line joining the point of intersection to the center makes equal angle with the chord. So what is given in this? It is a circle with the center O, and AB and CD are the two equal chords of the circle which intersects at E. To prove is this your two equal chords intersects within the circle. Line joining the point of intersection to the center makes the equal angle with the chord. So we have to prove angle AEO equals to angle DEO. Angle AEO, that is equals to angle DEO. That you have to prove angle 1 equals to angle 2. So for that, again the construction we have to do. Draw OL perpendicular on AB and OM perpendicular on CD and join OE. Now see the proof. In triangle OEL and triangle OEM, OL equals to OM, that is again equal chords are equidistant. Equidistant from the center. OE equals to OE, common, and angle L equals to angle M, that is equals to 90 degree. So the triangle OEL, that is congruent to the triangle OEM by right hypotenuse side angle rule. So angle 1 equals to angle 2, that is by CPCT, or this implies angle AEO, that is equals to the angle DEO. So when the two equal chords of a circle intersects within the circle, then line joining the point of intersection to the center makes equal angle with the chord. This was to prove.